Hello friends, once again I am Professor N.H. Jadhav. Welcome you all into the video lecture. Friends, in our previous video lecture we are going to discuss the different types of conventional and non-conventional sources along with their advantages and disadvantages. In our today's last video lecture of second chapter, that is energy resources, we are going to learn the present global energy use and its future demands. Along with them, second very important point of today's video lecture is future methods of energy conservation. So these 2 points of our last second topic we will going to learn very well by using PowerPoint presentation. So you can watch all these video lectures of second topic and this video also till the end. So let us start our today's video lecture by using PowerPoint presentation. Hello friends, once again welcome you all into the class of environmental studies. In our previous lecture we are going to discuss about the natural resources and its classification. Along with them we are going to study the points of concept of advantages and disadvantages of different types of natural resources. Now in this video lecture we are going to start a course outcome, that is select alternative energy resources for engineering practices, and unit outcomes, that is 2E select appropriate solution of efficient use of energy. In this one CO and one UO we will going to learn these video lecture. So in our today's video lecture what we will going to learn, we learn learning objective or key takeaways like knowledge about global use and future demands of energy. Along with them we will also understand the various methods of energy conservation and the content like present global energy use and its future demands, energy conservation methods. तर या सगळ्या गोष्टी आज आपण या व्हिडिओ लेक्चरच्या माध्यमातून या प्रेझेंटेशनच्या माध्यमातून बघणार आहोत. कन्सेप्ट मॅप जर बघायला गेला तर सुरुवातीला एनर्जी सोर्स पासून आपण प्रेझेंट ग्लोबल एनर्जी यूज, ग्लोबल एनर्जी फॉर फ्युचर डिमांड, एनर्जी कंजर्वेशन अँड एनर्जी स्ट्रॅटेजीज फॉर सस्टेनेबल डेव्हलपमेंट या सगळ्या गोष्टी आपण या व्हिडिओ लेक्चरच्या माध्यमातून बघणार आहोत. So main energy sources, we know that the energy sources are classified into two main classification or two main types. One is renewable and another one is non-renewable, and the interconversion between the different types of forms or different types of areas will be take place on both the renewable and renewable and non-renewable energy forms take place. Here the diagram which can shows the different types of conversion of energies from one to another species. It supplies the energy needed to run the world. We know that the world is run by means of using energies of different forms, and this picture which can be shows that the different types of energy will be used by different factors. Now we will going to learn what is the present global energy use. सध्या ग्लोबल एनर्जीचा यूज कशा पद्धतीने होतोय आणि त्याची वास्तव परिस्थिती काय आहे. एनर्जी कंझम्पशन in developing countries is only 1/10 of that in the development of other countries. Coal and natural gas were the most used energy fuels for generating electricity. कोल आणि नॅचरल गॅसचा बहुतेकता जास्तीत जास्त वापर हा एनर्जी फ्युल्स म्हणजेच इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जनरेशन साठी केला जातो. द वर्ल्ड्स इलेक्ट्रिसिटी consumption was 18,608 in 20 quantity which can be observed in 2018. The total world energy came from 64% fossil fuels, 10% nuclear, while 10% renewable, which can be included the different classification factors or types like hydropower, wind power, solar power, or geothermal energy. Now look at the diagram which can be shows, or this graph which can be shows how the global energy will be used. The different colors of different energy sources which can be represented very well in this diagram, and it is very important to study this diagram very carefully. Percentage of all the natural resources, learn and observation is very important. Now the global energy for future demands. World primary energy demand increases 1.6% per year on an average. Means every year 1.6% demand will be goes on increasing. The Energy Information Administration, that is EIA, recently released its latest international energy outlook, that is IEO. It forecast from 2012 and 2040 is like the following demands. Demands of oil is the most important and most highly consumed source of energy in the world. ऑइल हे सगळ्यात महत्त्वाचा एनर्जी सोर्स फक्त भारतातच नाही तर संपूर्ण जगामध्ये हा मानला जातो. द डिमांड ऑफ ऑइल इन 2040 विल बी इन्क्रीज फ्रॉम 85 million barrel to 106 million barrel per day. Very carefully observe this sentence because these digits are showing very much important information regard with the demands of oil. Demands of coal. It is an also the most abundant source of energy in the world and it is highly used in power generation. Coal ranks quite low in terms of consumption. Its demand increases to 26% per year. Now the next demand is a demand of natural gas. It has been the energy source with highest rate of growth in a recent year. In recent year, the natural gases are used more and more, and formation of electricity and different factors. Consumption of gas has been increases up to 22% from some recent years. Now the demands of renewable energy will be more than double by 2040, largely backing out coal. Hydroelectrical power will remain the largest single source of renewable energy and accounting for about half of renewable electricity output in 2040. या ज्या गोष्टी आहेत या जस्ट तुम्हाला माहीत असणं गरजेचं आहे, त्यासाठी सगळं हे दिलेलं आहे. डिमांड्स ऑफ न्यूक्लिअर पॉवर. इट इज अन फोरकास्ट टू ग्रो a bit more than 4% in 2012, not quite 6% in 2040. So these are the different types of demands of energy resources is an also important factors. So energy conservation is very important because that previous point we were going to discuss about the conservations of energy is very important. Now the again question is arises that why we will going to conserve this energy, because we have limited resources available on earth and our demand are continuously increasing day by day. एनर्जी कंझर्व करण्याचं, त्याला राखून ठेवण्याचं आपण का बघायचं आहे, तर अर्थ सरफेसवर बघायला गेलं तर एनर्जीची जी डिमांड आहे ती दिवसेंदिवस वाढत आहे, पण लिमिटेड एनर्जी रिसोर्सेस सोर्स आपल्याला अर्थ सरफेसवरती पाहायला भेटतात. त्यामुळे ते कंझर्व करणं आपल्या सर्वांचं कर्तव्य आहे. It is possible that someday most of the non-renewable resources will be exhausted. Hence, it is necessary to have save non-renewable energy resources, and it is energy conservation increases national, personal, and financial security. That all the points which can be shows that energy conservation will be very important to us. We save our money when we save our energy. So these are the very important quote, that is, we reduce pollution when we save energy. All these factors are very correct for the conservation of energy, not only personally but globally. So what we can do at personal level, आपल्याला बऱ्याचदा वाटतं एवढे सगळे प्रॉब्लेम्स हे जगामध्ये किंवा सर्वांना सतावत असताना आपण वैयक्तिक लेवलला काय करू शकतोय, बघूयात. ॲट होम we know that it should not keep light unnecessarily switched on. बऱ्याच वेळेला आपलं काम झाल्यानंतर घरामधील लाईट्स जे आहेत ते आपल्याकडून अनावधानानं ऑन राहतात, तर ते स्विच करणं हे आपलं काम आहे. त्यातून आपण एनर्जी कंझर्व करू शकतोय. Reduce the energy your appliances consumes by analyzing star rating. Improve your water heating efficiency to reduce energy cost. अशा प्रकारच्या वेगवेगळ्या गोष्टी आहेत जिथून आपण एनर्जीला कंझर्व करू शकतो. ज्यावेळेस मी पब्लिक प्लेसमध्ये असाल त्यावेळेस काय करू शकताय, स्विच ऑफ द फॅन्स अँड लाईट्स इन द प्लेस लाईक बस टर्मिनल रेल्वे स्टेशन. आपण बऱ्याचदा बस स्टेशन, एस टी स्टँड किंवा रेल्वे स्टेशन किंवा अनेक सार्वजनिक ठिकाणी ज्यावेळेस वावरत असतो त्यावेळी तेथील जे काही लाईट्स असतील, फॅन्स असतील, तर त्या अनावधानानं काही लोकांकडून चालू राहिलेले असतात, ते बंद करणं आणि त्यातून एनर्जी कंझर्व करणं हे आपल्या सर्वांचं काम आहे. स्विच ऑफ द स्ट्रीट लाईट. बऱ्याचशा वेळेला रस्त्यावरील पथदिवे पूर्ण प्रकाशामध्ये सुद्धा, दिवसभराच्या प्रकाशामध्ये सुद्धा चालू असतात, तर ते बंद करून आपण एनर्जीला कंझर्व करू शकतोय. Now we will going to understand how we will going to conserve at a global level energy strategies for a sustainable world. At first, we will going to learn these points. Necessary condition for socio-economic change to lead to sustainable world must include satisfaction of basic needs of the people, economically viability, self-reliant, interdependence of nations, harmony with environment. या सगळ्या गोष्टी फक्त तुम्हाला माहीत असणं हे गरजेचं आहे. एनर्जी स्ट्रॅटेजीज फॉर द फ्युचर डिमांड्स. मग या ज्या काही एनर्जी स्ट्रॅटेजीज आहेत त्या फ्युचर डिमांडसाठी काही क्लासिफिकेशन आपल्याला पाहायला भेटतात. मग त्या क्लासिफिकेशनमध्ये इमिडिएट स्ट्रॅटेजीज आहेत, मिड टर्म आहेत आणि लॉंग टर्म आहेत. आपण याचा अभ्यास करूयात. व्हॉट इज मीन बाय इमिडिएट स्ट्रॅटेजीज? सुरुवातीला बघूयात लॉंग टर्म स्ट्रॅटेजीज. इफिशियंट जनरेशन ऑफ एनर्जी सोर्सेस, improving energy infrastructure, creation of urban gas transmission and distribution network, improving energy efficiency in accordance to national social economy and environmental priorities, promoting of energy efficiency and emission standards. So these are the different types of long term strategy. its research and development and transfer and use of technologies for the environmentally sound energy systems. अशा प्रकारच्या वेगवेगळ्या स्ट्रॅटेजी आहेत, पण वैयक्तिक लेवलला आपण या अगोदर ज्या गोष्टी बघितल्या त्या जरी पूर्ण केल्यात तरी आपल्याला अशा प्रकारचं एनर्जी स्ट्रॅटर्जी ठरवता येऊ शकते. एनर्जी कन्झर्वेशन. Energy is needed for each and every work, so its conservation is also important. आपल्याला माहिती आहे आपल्या रोजच्या जीवनामध्ये एनर्जी ही आपल्याला अनेक गोष्टींमध्ये लागते, त्यामुळे तिचं कन्झर्वेशन आपण करणं खूप गरजेचं आहे. The different forms of energy are the driving force of today's technology world, so its proper use is our globally responsibility. त्याचा प्रॉपर यूज करणं, वेळच्या वेळीच वापर करणं हे आपल्या सगळ्यांचं कर्तव्य आहे. नाउ वी विल कम टू आवर finishing part of our today's lecture. Before going to end this video lecture, let us see the summary of our today's video lecture. We have studied present global energy use, future demands of energy, and energy conservation for a sustainable world. So these are the different points we will going to well see in our today's lecture. So this is the end of our today's lecture. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, या लेक्चर बरोबरच आपला एन्व्हायरमेंटल स्टडीज या सब्जेक्ट मधील दुसरा टॉपिक म्हणजेच एनर्जी रिसोर्सेस हा सुद्धा या ठिकाणी पूर्ण होतोय. लवकरच तुम्हाला या चॅप्टरच्या नोट्स ह्या पाठवल्या जातील. हे संपूर्ण लेक्चर तुम्ही ऐकलात त्याबद्दल सगळ्यांचं मनपूर्वक आभार. थँक्यू व्हेरी मच.